Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss the best Figma design systems and UI kits. So today we are going to start our lecture. So first website is Utility UI. It comes with over 10,000 Figma UI components and variants. Close to 1,000 icons and logos and a smart scalable typography system in this website. So move on the next website. This is called the Art Design 5.0. Inspired by one of the most popular React UI libraries, and design is a complete all in one package kit available for Figma, and the flexible themes available here. Move on the next website. Next website is Pegasus Design System. This website is a multi-purpose UI kit. It made up 2000 plus component, 100 plus styles with both dark and light themes. So move on. The next website is Landify. So Landify is a landing page UI kit for Figma, consisting of 170 plus blocks, 500 plus components, icons, color styles, and 5 simple pages. So last on the list, we are going to discuss the Flowbyte. Flowbyte is an open source library of over 450 plus UI components, sections and pages built with the classes from Tailwind CSS and design in Figma. So I hope you like my lecture today. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So take care. Bye bye.